Have you ever stood in front of the mirror, turned your head to the side, and thought, something just feels off? Maybe your hair used to have that bounce, that life, that energy, but lately, it seems flatter, thinner, like it just doesn't reflect the woman you are on the inside anymore. Or maybe you went to the salon asking for something fresh and new, something that matches your spirit. But you walked out feeling older instead of revitalized. Like the style chose you, instead of you choosing it. If that sounds familiar, I need you to hear this loud and clear. You are not alone, and more importantly, you are not done. You are just getting started. Welcome back to Golden Melanin Lifestyle, the place where we celebrate the beauty, the wisdom, and the undeniable glow of Black women over 50. Now, let's talk about something we all care about, our hair. As we age, our hair changes. It can become finer. It can lose volume. It can start resisting the styles that once came so easily. And while aging is an absolute privilege, looking and feeling vibrant is something we all deserve. Every single day. Today, I am walking you through 5 haircuts that would help you look and feel absolutely amazing after 50. But before we dive into these gorgeous styles, I want you to do something for me. If you are ready to feel inspired, hit that subscribe button right now. Join this family of queens who are owning their golden years. And while you're at it, drop a comment telling me this. What is one word that describes how you want your hair to make you feel? Is it powerful? Is it soft? Is it free? I am waiting to read your answers. Let's get into it. Haircut number 1, the soft layered bob. Let's start with a true classic. One of the most timeless, easy to wear, and universally flattering haircuts for women over 50. The soft layered bob. Now, I know you have seen bobs before, but this one is different. This style is both classic and modern. It is low maintenance, yet full of impact. And here is the best part. It can instantly make you look and feel younger with minimal effort. Why does this haircut work so well? Let me break it down. First, it adds volume and natural movement. As we age, our hair tends to become thinner and lose body. A heavy, blunt bob can actually make this more obvious. It weighs down your features. But when you introduce soft, subtle layers, something magical happens. It brings back that essential bounce and fullness. It makes your hair appear more alive, more vibrant, more you. Second, it visually lifts the face. Strategically placed layers around the cheekbones and jawline act like a mini facelift. They draw the eye upward, lifting your features and enhancing that beautiful bone structure you were born with. If you've noticed some softening around the jawline, a bob that hits just below the chin can truly reshape your entire face. It's like contouring, but with hair. Third, it is low effort, but high reward. Whether you wear it sleek and polished, tousled and playful, or with gentle waves, this cut is incredibly easy to style. You can spend 5 minutes or 20, and you will still look put together. Here are some tips to make it work for you. Apply a volumizing mousse at the roots for that extra lift. Ask your stylist for side-swept bangs to soften the forehead area. If your hair is fine, keep the layers subtle to avoid losing volume, and consider adding soft highlights to create dimension and brightness. That touch of lightness around the face is magic. Who is this cut best for? Almost everyone. If you have a round face, longer layers help elongate. Oval faces can go slightly shorter, even with the chin. For square or angular faces, feathered layers soften those angles beautifully. This cut truly adapts to you. Drop a comment right now if you are loving the soft layered bob idea. Let me see those heart emojis. Haircut number 2, the side banged pixie. Now, let's talk about a bold yet elegant choice. The pixie cut with side bangs. I know what some of you are thinking. Short hair is not for me. But hear me out. This is not just a haircut. This is a statement, and when it is done right, it is unbelievably flattering. Here is why this style is a total game changer. It creates instant lift and structure. A well-cut pixie naturally draws all the attention to your best assets: your eyes, your cheekbones, your jawline. The side-swept bangs keep it soft, feminine, and youthful. It is not harsh. It is not severe. It is chic. It makes thin hair look fuller. By removing excess weight and strategically layering at the crown, this cut gives the illusion of thicker, denser hair. If you've been struggling with fine or thinning hair, this could be your new best friend. It is effortlessly modern. The pixie is sharp, stylish, and completely contemporary. And let me tell you something. It works especially well with natural gray. There is something about silver strands with a pixie cut that gives off such a confident vibe. It says, I own my style. I am comfortable in my skin, and I am not here to blend in. You will love this look if you have an oval, heart-shaped, or longer face. You will love it if you want to wash and go style that still looks polished. And you will love it if you struggle with thin hair and want more volume on top. Here are some pro styling tips. Use a texturizing spray to enhance lift at the crown. Sweep those bangs gently across the forehead to soften any lines. And try subtle highlights for added depth and movement. If you are loving this content and want to keep feeling inspired, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on those notifications so you never miss a video. This is your sisterhood, and we are growing every day. Haircut number 3. The shoulder-length shag. Now, if you are craving a hairstyle that feels youthful without trying too hard, something fun, full of movement, and effortlessly cool, then look no further than the shoulder-length shag. This cut has made a strong comeback in recent years, and for good reason. It is a fresh, modern take on one of the most flattering, low-maintenance styles out there. And it is absolutely ideal for women over 50 who want to embrace their natural beauty. Why does this cut work so beautifully? Let me tell you. First, it instantly adds texture, movement, and volume. The strategic layers throughout the hair add shape and life. The result is a natural bounce that gives your hair a fuller, airier look. Even if your hair is naturally limp or fine, the shag breathes new life into it. Second, it softens and lifts the face. The layers can be tailored to highlight your best features. Face framing pieces help lift the cheekbones. They slim the jawline. They soften the look of sagging skin or fine lines. Instead of pulling your face down, the shag draws the eye upward. It is like a facelift, but with scissors. Third, it is low maintenance in the best possible way. This cut does not require perfect blowouts or daily curling. In fact, the more natural and slightly tousled it looks, the better. You can wash it, air dry it, and go. That is freedom. Who should try it? Women who have fine or thinning hair and want to add texture and fullness. Women who prefer a low-effort routine but still want to look stylish. Women who love a more relaxed, undone vibe. And women with oval, long, or heart-shaped faces. Here are some styling tips. Use a texturizing spray or sea salt spray to enhance those natural layers. Ask your stylist for soft, blended layers. Consider adding wispy curtain bangs to soften the forehead. And most importantly, embrace your natural texture. Whether that is straight with a little flip, light waves, or soft curls, let your hair do what it does best. Tell me in the comments, are you ready for a shag? Are you ready to let your hair be free? Haircut number 4, the chin-length blunt cut with soft layers. If you love a look that is polished, elegant, and always feels put together, then the chin-length blunt cut with soft layers might be your dream style. This haircut is the perfect blend of precision and softness. It is modern, it is timeless, and it is incredibly flattering for mature women who want a hairstyle that looks structured yet approachable. Why does it work? First, it naturally highlights and defines the jawline. By cutting the hair to fall exactly at or just below the chin, you are drawing attention to your jaw and neckline. The blunt edge acts as a subtle visual frame. It gives your lower face more definition. It creates the illusion of lift and youth. Second, it makes fine or thinning hair appear fuller. Because the ends are cut evenly across, they appear thicker, denser, and more solid. You are eliminating the wispy, uneven tips that can make aging hair look fragile. This cut says strength. Third, it is modern, minimal, and stylish, without the fuss. You can wear it sleek and straight for a sophisticated look. Or you can add a slight wave for a more casual vibe. Tucking one side behind the ear adds a modern edge that is very now. Who does this work best for? Square or heart-shaped faces. Women who wear glasses and want a cut that frames them perfectly. Women who prefer minimalist styling, and women who want a no-fail look that always works. Here are some pro tips. Use a light smoothing serum for that sleek, polished finish. Blow dry with a round brush, directing the ends inward for that youthful, face-framing curve. Tuck one side behind your ear for a modern touch. And if you have fine hair, add a little volume at the crown. Smash that like button if you are feeling this elegant style. Let me see those hands in the air. Haircut number 5. Long layers with curtain bangs. Now, let's talk about a style that holds a special place in many of our hearts. Long hair. And if you still love the idea of keeping your length, but you want to add shape, dimension, and softness, then long layers paired with curtain bangs might be your perfect match. Let's get one thing clear right now. There is a myth out there that once you reach a certain age, you have to chop your hair short to look appropriate. Let me tell you something. That idea is completely outdated. It is not about age. It is about balance. It is about movement. It is about shape. Why does this style work? First, long layers add shape, bounce, and softness. Instead of pulling your face downward or creating a heavy curtain of hair, the layers bring your hair to life. They add movement and dimension without sacrificing length. These flowing layers frame your face beautifully, especially when they are cut strategically around the cheekbones and jawline. Second, curtain bangs are the ultimate face framing magic. They part gently in the middle or slightly off-center. They fall softly around your face. They help soften the forehead area while drawing attention to your eyes and highlighting those gorgeous cheekbones. And unlike blunt bangs, curtain bangs grow out beautifully. They do not require constant salon visits. They are forgiving, feminine, and fresh. Third, it is versatile, low maintenance, and totally timeless. Whether you prefer to wear your hair straight, wavy, or lightly curled, long layers with curtain bangs will always look polished, but never stiff, never dated. Always you. Who is this perfect for? Women with medium to thick hair, women who love their length and do not want to sacrifice femininity, women who prefer a soft, romantic look, women who want styling flexibility, and women who are ready for a subtle but noticeable change. Here are some pro tips. Use volumizing mousse to add body at the crown. When styling curtain bangs, use a round brush to blow dry them gently, away from your face. If your hair is fine, avoid over-layering. And as always, embrace your natural texture. So, there you have it, my beautiful sisters. 5 haircuts proven to help you look and feel amazing after 50. the soft layered bob for timeless elegance, the side-banged pixie for bold sophistication, the shoulder-length shag for effortless cool, the chin-length blunt cut for polished minimalism, and long layers with curtain bangs for romantic femininity. Remember this: the right haircut is not about following trends. It is not about fighting your age. It is about choosing a style that makes you feel confident, beautiful, and authentically you. It is about walking into a room and knowing, without a doubt, that you belong there. If this video helped you today, show me some love. Hit that like button. Subscribe to Golden Melanin Lifestyle if you haven't already. Turn on those notifications so you never miss a moment of our sisterhood. And drop a comment telling me this: which of these 5 haircuts are you trying first? I want to know. I read every single comment. Thank you for being here. Thank you for investing in yourself. You deserve to look as vibrant and beautiful as you feel. Until next time, keep embracing your beauty. Keep celebrating your journey. And keep reminding the world that women over 50 are stunning, confident, and absolutely radiant. Stay beautiful, stay confident, and stay true to your magnificent self. I will see you in the next video.